Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to replace cleaning kit. Turn off the laser switch and power off the machine. We are in a clean and windless environment. Place the welding gun flat. Use a hex wrench to remove wire jig. Disassemble the wire feeder tube and place it in safe place. And reinstall the screw. Use an open-end wrench to loosen this nut. Disassemble the welding head nozzle. Install the cleaning cone. Loosen these two screws for protective window. Pull out the protective windows assembly. Cover it with a dust-free cloth. This is the focusing lens assembly. Please remember the position mark of jig. Pull out the focusing mirror jig. Wrap it in a clean, dust-free cloth and store it. Prepare f800 lens. Check for stains and dust before installation. You can use a blower balloon. Clean it with an alcohol-free cloth. Confirm the position mark to put in correct direction. Insert into the welding gun. Insert the protective windows jig. Tighten the screws. Lock it. Thank you.